Hello mga kayamis! This is my day 7 carrot apple cucumber smoothie. So, meron akong tatlong ingredients. Nakita nyo naman, isang apple, isang carrot, and cucumber chopped into pieces. Naka-peeled yan. So, ngayon alam nyo ba yung carrot cucumber smoothie? Ay nagbibigay ito ng light, refreshing, healthy, and combining summer and winter flavors in one. So, every bite is so juicy and flavorful itong ating smoothie. Kaya yung cucumber are loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, and folic acid. Ang apple naman ay nag-improve sa digestive health. Kaya kung pinagsama natin ito, yung carrot naman ay nagbibigay ng full body detox na ito yung kailangan natin para ma-regain yung energy and mental focus natin. So, try it. Taste it. So, enjoy the refreshing and so delightful smoothie. Okay, so mga yummies, do not forget to subscribe and share our Facebook page and another YouTube, and of course, follow us in our page. Thank you and God bless.